Good morning students and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior B. Children, this video is for class 6, 7 and 8 and today I will explain speech writing. Now children, speech writing is a very important section of writing. You all might have heard speeches delivered in the morning assembly, but the correct way of writing a speech depends on the correct format. Clear? And one more important thing is that while writing a speech, you should always concentrate on the language. That is, there should not be any grammatical error or the language should not be complex. It should be easy and simple so that the reader can easily understand it. Speeches are divided into three groups. One is introductory paragraph, second is body, and third is conclusion. In the introductory paragraph, you have to introduce about the topic given. You have to discuss the main points of the topic so that the reader get attached to the topic. Clear? And then the body, in the body you have to write your opinion about the topic and then you have to end the speech. The ending and the introduction should be so impressive that the audience can easily understand it, because the speeches are generally delivered to the audience, and when you are delivering any speech to the audience, your language should be so easy that they can understand what you are saying. They can understand the theme of the topic. So, in the introductory paragraph, you should give the important point of that topic so that they can understand that what you are telling about and what topic is that. A speech is written in the conversational form, and in that personal pronoun I, we, etc. are used while explaining the topic. Clear? Supportive argument to the topic should be given. Okay, so that the audience should understand that you are in the favor of that topic. Clear? So you should explain and you should catch one side of the topic. Okay, and it should be very impressive. Tips of building a speech. Start with a direct address to the audience. For example, respected chairman, respected principal sir, or respected director sir, and so on. After your address, then you will come that what you write after that? Honorable director sir, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Hello, good morning to everybody. I myself, so and so, you'll write your name, standing before you to speak on the famous topic or on the given topic. Whatever the topic is given, you will mention the name of the topic. You can start your speech with an anecdote, an interesting fact, a suitable quote by some well-known writer. That means your opening line should be very attractive. Okay? And then build up the speech with powerful, supportive argument. Whatever the argument you are giving, it should be based on the fact. You should give the fact you should give the evidence, you should give examples of that. Then in the concluding paragraph, you will have to sum up the thoughts. What you are delivering, that you have to sum up and summarize it, and then tell in an attractive way a powerful point in your armory should be given, so that the speech ending is also very impressive. Remember one thing, that the ending should be also very impressive and very powerful, so that whatever you have told earlier depends on that also. So is it clear, students? Speech is what? One of the most important part of writing section. Remember it. And a speech is, I am summing up the points. A speech is always delivered to the audience, and your speech should be very attractive, so that the attention of the audience should be towards you only. If your speech is not attractive, the audience will talk. So it should be so attractive and full of fact. Giving example, asking questions in the middle of the speech will be very impressive. After completing body, your concluding paragraph should be also very impressive, so that your whole topic should give the sum up in that paragraph. Understood? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.